This learning and development success story happened at a large forging company. They were preparing for Industry 4.0 organizational transformation. As a preparation for Industry 4.0 implementation, they needed to lay the ground by benchmarking competencies of hundreds of operators and technicians so that they could identify and design learning and development initiatives for future. They had identified attributes on which this assessment was required. There were many challenges in this effort. It was a large scale effort. It had very technical aspects for assessment. For example, manual forging, automated forging, machining, heat treatment, finishing. This was organizationally sensitive activity and hence impartial assessment was required. There were large stakes on outcome of this assessment. Also, on one side, operators were not comfortable answering the test or the assessment in English language. We designed a computer based assessment plan for them. It would have a randomly generated tests based on operators area of work. We gave them logic of four sets of tests from same question bank for four distinct technical competencies. We designed a large question bank in English and in regional language, Marathi in this case. We gave them execution plan. We also gave them the interpretation logic. This solution created a phenomenal impact. It obviously delivered the outcome, which was classification of operators across three levels of competencies L1, L2, and L3. It worked out as a very fair, impartial, and sanctified evaluation. Importantly, it was operationally simple to execute. It didn't attract additional cost overheads for execution. And from this, learning and development got precise directives for laying out future activity plan. And it laid a solid foundation for organizational transformation towards Industry 4.0. This solution was possible because of cohesive teamwork by subject matter experts, domain experts, and learning solution experts. We spent a good amount of time for factory visits, study of operations, interviews of internal stakeholders, reading through process documents and standard operating procedures. We did in-depth analysis to create a template for question bank and also for the logic of this assessment. Our team had good understanding of LMS based assessment techniques and we had willingness to go that extra mile.